Every single company needs to innovate. And everyone I talk to needs to innovate right now and have big ideas. How we create environments where creativity can thrive in order to get these big ideas is crucial. And this is a huge thing that I work on in my Fail Gloriously sessions, is creating a vocabulary where creativity and collaboration explode. And how you meet other people's ideas will bring out their amazing creativity. So if we meet people's ideas with a critical ear, critical listening, and that often sounds like this: yeah, good idea, but we don't have a lot of budget for this, or no, we can't really do that because, and we're giving it that kind of energy, those ideas never stand a chance to be built on, and we're not creating a lot of psychological safety by judging each other's ideas and looking for problems. But if we meet it a different way, we start to look for possibilities. If we meet people's ideas and we're like, yes, and I'm gonna build on top of that, yeah, and I'm gonna build on top of that, and all of a sudden we're building on each other's ideas, ideas explode. Creativity explodes, collaboration becomes efficient. It happens in the shortest amount of time, and everyone feels energized, and everyone is able to tap into their well of endless creativity because we're all so creative. We hold the keys to each other's creativity. It's really hard to yes and your own ideas and put them out there. It takes a lot of courage, you're being vulnerable, but if we get that energy and enthusiasm from our colleagues, all of a sudden we start to be more bold. We start to put out bigger and more inspired ideas. Are we gonna have really big ideas? Yes, we are. Are you gonna have an urge to be like, yeah, but wait a minute, this is too big, we don't have the budget? Yeah, you probably will. However, the ideas are free, all right? So this is a muscle. You can work on this, and the better you become at it, the more fun you're gonna have, the more safety you're gonna create, the more you're gonna be able to create a language around creativity, and you're gonna innovate amazingly well, right? Because look, you need big ideas. Big, crazy, ridiculous ideas change the world. And it's almost everything we're using in every day on this phone that we're recording on was a big, crazy, ridiculous idea 20 years ago. So create the space. If you need help, get in touch. Otherwise, let me know how it goes. And I'd love to hear from you. Do you know any yes and people? Tag them in the comments below. Give them some cred.